Hi there, welcome to the 6th class of Microsoft Excel for Beginners. My name is Mohammad Abbas and welcome to Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, we are all going to learn about pivot table, means table group illustrations. So let's try to begin our class by typing some sort of small table. English subject. So what I have to do is to select all of the things that I have typed and go for pivot table, hit OK, and over there you'll be having more of the options, like you have to be checking on that so that it will be giving you subtotal of all of the marks, all of the subjects. Like for example, bio subject, it is now 304 and 301 of English subject, 280 of history subjects. So what I have to do is to go back for previous sheet and go for recommended pivot table, hit OK. It is something most probably the same thing. Let's try to go for table, hit OK. Now it is converted to sort of table in which I'm having filters that can help me finding any of the name. Like for example, I have to be checking off that, and any name I want, I have to be checking on that. Hit OK. See, now Hassan name is brought there. So marks that are related to Hassan will be brought to. So what I have to do, if I want to clear that, I have to be going back for that and select all, hit OK. It will be brought back. Let's try to go one step back by holding the control or the command button and press Z button. See, let me tell you one thing more. If I want to clear all of the format, I have to be going for home, clear format, and there are some of the filters which you can see that if you want to remove those, you can select that and go for find and select, and go for sort and filter and hit on and click on filter. So let's try to go for insert, and over there I have next option known as pictures. So if I want to bring any sort of picture, I can bring any sort of picture I want. For example, I may not have some pictures. Let's try to go for downloads if I have some of the pictures. Like for example, this is sort of picture that is present there, so I can bring that picture and utilize that. Now for example, I have brought picture, and over there I have a lot of more of the options, like format is being selected by default. Over there I can have more of the options like corrections. See, if I can go and apply any of the corrections, it will be changing its color, or maybe it will be bringing the effect color. I can change its color. See, it works. And artistic effects, see, it is something that is amazing. If I can zoom it in for you so that you can observe furthermore. Insert, format, compress picture, change picture. You can also change the picture by searching and bringing from internet. Reset picture, can also reset the picture. Whatever you have applied will be gone. And there are some of the styles that are related to picture styles. If I want to go and apply any one of these can be applied. See, it works. So anyone you like, you can go and utilize that. See, it works. And there is another option which I must have taught you in Microsoft Word too. You can check out the tutorials that I have. You can check out the tutorials. And there is another option known as picture border, which is related to border of the any of the picture. Like you can change its color, its border color, and you can also go for width. Any sort of width you want to give, you can give that. And you can also change the color. See, it works. And there is another option known as shadow. You can also give shadow to your picture. Let me zoom it out a little bit so that it will be much more visible for you. Let's try to go for picture effects. See, you can change according to your use. So anyone, see, this is something I have liked and I really like. See, it works. So if you want to go for reflections, you can also go for reflections. Any one of the reflection you want to apply, you can go and utilize that. Glue, soft edges. If you want to give softness to your to edges of the picture, you can go and utilize that. This is something that is related to bevel, and that is 3D rotation. Anyone you like, you can go for that. Picture layout, this is something that can give the result something like that. Let's try to go back for insert and utilize some more options. Let's try to delete that. There is another option known as online picture, which is something related to bringing something online, like for example searching watches. Now you can bring any of the watch, like I want to bring that, insert. You can bring any sort of picture, a condition that you are having internet facility, and you must be bringing that, and you are able to be bringing that. Let's try to go and utilize the shapes. Shapes are something that you must understand this by its name. So I must make you understand all about shapes. If I click on that, a format option or format tab will pop up. So let's try to go for format, and there are some more options. Like if I can go for edit shape, edit point, I can give a point to my shape, any of the shape I have. See, and then I can move that, and then I can give sharp or maybe soft corner, sharp corner, or maybe rounded corner. So I can edit that anytime I want. For example, I have selected that and go back for this option. You can change your shape anytime you want. You can replace your shape. So let's try to go for the same options which I have applied. See, you can give your shape more of the styles and more of the designs, and you can also apply gradient. You can apply more colors. You can go for outline fill, shape outline, and you can go for shape fill. If you want to change the boundary of your text or whatever you have, you can easily change that. See, it works. Let's try to understand some more about text fill. Even you can type something inside that. See, you can change the color. You can also change this according to your use. See, rotation. You can also give rotation to shape. And let's try to use smart art. Let's try to delete that or come at the bottom. Smart art, click on this, hit OK, and type there John. Sorry about the sound. Class 8th, class 9th. You can click at the corner of this smart art and go for design, and over there you can change the color, any color you want. For example, this I have selected, and I also have a smart art styles group. If I can go there and change any of the style I want, reset graphic, you can reset that and convert to shape. Even you can convert that to shape. Go for format, go for design, and you can also go for layout group there, which is present inside design tab. So I have already selected that. I can furthermore work on that, and this will be resulting for me. So that depends upon me, and that depends upon my work or my wish. That looks, I think, so much beautiful. See, so you can furthermore work on by going for smart art styles and working furthermore on that, and also changing the color anytime you want. Right to left, left to right. Text pane, can also edit that, like I have edited that. So this is something that is related to smart art. Let's try to go for screenshot, screen clipping. Wait for a while, and now you're able to take a screenshot and put it there. See, it works. So that is all for today's tutorial, which I have taught you maybe two of the groups, which one of them is related to tables and second one of them is related to illustrations. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.